How are you all, little friends? In today's video, we will learn about wild animals. So, without further delay, let's get started. Tiger. The tiger is the largest living cat and a member of the genus Panthera. It is most easily recognized by its dark vertical stripes on its orange fur with a white underside. As an apex predator, it feeds mainly on ungulates, such as deer and wild boar. It is a territorial and typically solitary but social predator, requiring large contiguous living areas to support its hunting and rearing needs. Tiger cubs stay with their mother for about 2 years, then become independent. A rhinoceros, also known as a rhino, refers to any of the 5 currently existing species, as well as numerous extinct species of odd-toed ungulates in the Rhinocerotidae family. It can also encompass any of the extinct species in the superfamily Rhinocerotoidea. 2 of the existing species are found in Africa, while the remaining 3 are native to South and Southeast Asia. The giraffe is a large mammal that is native to Africa and belongs to the Giraffe genus. It holds the title for being the tallest land animal and is also the largest ruminant on Earth. In the past, giraffes were believed to be a single species known as Giraffe camelopardalis, but it has now been discovered that there are 9 subspecies. The giraffe is well known for its remarkably long neck and legs. The leopard, also known as Panthera pardus, is one of the 5 species that belong to the Panthera genus. Its fur ranges from pale yellowish to dark golden, with dark spots arranged in rosette patterns. Currently, there are 8 recognized subspecies of leopards that can be found in Africa and Asia. The leopard initially evolved in Africa during the early Pleistocene era, and later migrated to Eurasia during the early Middle Pleistocene transition. Zebras are African equines, with unique black and white striped coats subgenus Hippotigris, the Grevy's zebra Equus grevi, plains zebra Equus quagga, and mountain zebra Equus zebra are the 3 surviving species. Zebras, horses, and asses all belong to the genus Equus. The polar bear Ursus maritimus is a large bear native to the Arctic and surrounding areas. It is closely related to the brown bear, and the 2 species can interbreed. The polar bear is the largest extant bear and land carnivore species. The polar bear has white or yellowish fur, black skin, and a thick layer of fat. It is slimmer than the brown bear, has a narrower skull. The elk, also known as wapiti, is a member of the deer family Cervidae. It is one of the largest land mammals in North America, Central Asia, and East Asia, and is considered to be one of the largest species. Within its family, the term elk originally referred to the European version of the moose. The horse, scientifically known as Equus ferus cabalis, is a domesticated mammal with a single toe and a hoof. It belongs to the Equidae family and is one of the 2 subspecies of Equus ferus that still exist today. Horses of the cabalis subspecies are domesticated, although there are some populations that live in the wild as feral horses. However, these feral horses should not be confused with true wild horses. Moose. The moose, known as elk or elks in Eurasia and moose in North America, is the only species in the Alces genus. It is the largest and heaviest deer species alive today. Most adult male moose have distinctively broad, palmate antlers. The Meerkat suricata or suricate is a small mongoose. Found in southern Africa, it is characterized by a broad head, large eyes, a pointed snout, long legs, a thin tapering tail, and a brindled coat pattern. The coat is light gray to yellowish brown with alternate, poorly defined light and dark bands on the back. Meerkats have foreclaws adapted for digging and have the ability to thermoregulate to survive in their harsh, dry habitat. That's all for today, my friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Bye.